Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Athens Executive Leather-Faced Office Armchair. Features: Athens Executive Leather-Faced Office Armchair. Distinctive design high-back leather-faced manager's chair with height-adjustable headrest. And a contoured backrest with lower lumbar curvature and ruched finish upholstery with coordinating stitched piping. And is available in black or cream leather upholstery with matching vinyl back and sides. The waterfall front seat eases pressure on the legs, which promotes good blood flow. The gull wing arm design with integral armrests. The lockable tilt offers a flowing tilt function to encourage body movement. By pressing the lever in, you can lock the seat in the upright position, pull it out again, and the seat will recline freely. The weight tension control adjuster can be used to suit the user's body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. Gas height seat adjustment sets the chair at user's optimum height and is fitted with sturdy 5-star base in polished aluminium finish with quality twin-wheel hooded casters. The chair has a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift for users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. CMHR foams are used throughout the Athens and are Crib 5 and fire tested to BS 5852. 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day. Another incredible value chair from our best-selling range, and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.